This tutorial will show you how to make a Pong game in Scratch. To start off, we're going to make a paddle and ball sprite. We want the paddle to go to the mouse at y minus 160. This script here will make the ball move. We need to make sure that the ball will turn around when it hits the paddle. Now duplicate the paddle sprite in order to create an enemy paddle. We want to make this enemy paddle follow the ball but not always be able to get it. We need to make sure that the enemy paddle will also cause the ball to turn around. We need to make sure that we move the ball out of the paddle. It wouldn't be very good if the paddle didn't have a certain amount of randomness to it. We now need to detect if the paddle has scored a point or the enemy paddle has. This will make a much smoother appearance to the enemy paddle sprite. We now need to check whether the player has won or lost a game. We now need to make sure that we reset the variables in the right place. Here is the finished game.